Optimism.
Networking.
Intervention.
Excited.
Collaboration.
The Offord Centre vision for a long time has been generating new knowledge by doing rigorous research. It has been training kind of the next generation of investigators in this area of child and youth mental health. And it's also about linking with others to get our work known.
Children's mental health and the work of the Offord Centre has been the jewel in the department's crown for many years.
There's been a big push over the past 10 or 15 years, rightly so, that we begin to work far more collaboratively to ensure that the work that we're doing is applicable and useful for the people that need to use it.
Thinking about the general poverty rate is a waste of time in our population because of this.
Clinicians are inquisitive and they want to find ways to make their services better and get better outcomes. And they will collaborate with researchers. In fact, often it's the same people. And I think that's one of the great strengths, that so many of the researchers at the Offord Centre are also involved in clinical service. But even if they're not, I think there's an opportunity to work together to address questions raised by clinical experience and clinical practice.
It's homegrown research that has pointed out many of the issues in child and youth mental health.
We're really working towards the learning health system so that we can be more nimble in terms of how we learn from both things that we thought would work and didn't work and things that we didn't realize we should be doing.
In the context of our job is to plan more comprehensively for services across the spectrum, particularly here in Hamilton. So understanding that context from a research point of view and having better information will lead to better decisions on the ground.
Public health nurses who are grounded in knowledge around the social determinants of health.
But look what was happening in the home that was going unrecognized. That's important information that should be out there now.
The key is really that we engage with our families and communities in new ways that are more focused on wellness.
The accomplishment here is doing a better job of population health measurement for kids than anywhere else in the world.
It's great to bring people together just to develop networks.
The Offord Centre and the work it does is extremely well known across the country. Outside of our community, because there, of course, it's understood as the work of this collaborative.
Invigorated.
Inspiring.
Innovation.
Connected.
Bridging.
In clinical services, we're always looking to understand, the phenomena we're working with and also want to understand how to intervene. And we need research in order to inform practice. And so it's refreshing to be able to attend a day and really hear about all the great work that's being completed here at the Offord Centre.